Months after Apple launched iPhone 14 series, everyone is talking about iPhone 15 series' features and specifications. Apple is expected to bring an all-new iPhone 15 Ultra replacing the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The company is also set to get features like dual front cameras, USB Type-C charging port and more with the iPhone 15 series. As per the reports, the handset will feature a titanium glass body, which is essential for wireless charging. In addition, Sony Group will supply Apple with its latest image sensor. The new state-of-the-art sensor is set to roughly double the saturation signal level in each pixel compared with the conventional sensors. Apple is also planning to replace the clickable volume and power buttons with solid-state buttons on the iPhone 15 series models. The price of the iPhone 15 Ultra is not revealed or speculated till now, but many reports suggest that iPhone 15 Ultra will cost substantially more to manufacture than the iPhone 14 Pro Max.